Hey Kevin, what do you have there?
Well, this is the new Lightning MTS 275 from Everlast Welders. So it's an MTS machine, so it's a MIG TIG stick machine. It also does spool gun. It's a brand new machine. I just got it like a week ago. And I thought, well, let me just show you around on this a little bit. I got a little bit of welding I want to get done, and I'll just show you how it runs. So this is the new improved model, if you will, of the MTS 252 STI, which is also a multi-function machine, just like this is. This is just the big brother to it. Some of the changes that have been made. Nice big display to see what's going on. They gave you some nice knobs here, so when you have gloves on, it's easy enough to adjust things. And Everlast is actually the first ones in the market. They pioneered this. They came out with an AC/DC TIG with pulse, along with the DC MIG, along with the AC/DC stick, as well as the spool gun. Now, it's proven technology. It's been around a while. I've got two of them here that I've been just beating the bejesus out of with no problems whatsoever. So let's say I just want to set it up for like MIG welding on mild steel. So 25% CO2, 75% argon. I can just page right down to that setting. Here are all my parameters, all right here. So wire speed, voltage, inductance, 2T or 4T, pre-flows, upslope, downslope. I mean, God, all the functions are right there. So it's very, very easy to set up. Those things now were already set up for MIG. Let me put my gear on. Let's weld something. So there's 300 inches a minute and 20.4 volts, and just mild steel welded on a piece of stainless steel I found in the scrap bucket over there. Watch your eyes. So sweet and easy. Nice little weld there, nice little bead. Few little BBs falling off of it. It's just so easy to set up. Two buttons, boom, boom, twist the knob a little, go to work. I like it. So if you really want to get into the different parameters that you have to play with, I mean, you can dig down inside here a lot. There's a lot of other menus hiding in there. All the different things that you can set up. You can really tune this thing in just the way you want it. Some of you may have noticed though, if you look down there towards the bottom, you see the water cooler? We'll get into some water-cooled TIG. So that's just a quick little intro on this Everlast Lightning MTS 275, which is, oddly enough, a 250 amp machine. Haven't quite figured that one out yet. But there's going to be a lot more videos on this. As I learn it, I'm going to pass it on to you guys. So stay tuned. Reach up there and hit that notification bell for me. And I appreciate you watching. See you next time. Well, it's some of the new improvements that they've done. New improvement?